and we have discussed many problems. Question number 1 and 2. In one, there was some 4 or 5 parts. Question number 2 also there was 4 or 5 parts. We discussed that. So उसमें से एक question था last वाला. How many of you tried that? Did you try that? What about this? What about this question? This one, the last one we discussed yesterday. Relation R in the set of human beings in a town at a particular time. It is given like this. All ordered pairs x comma y says that x is a father of y. So is this reflexive?
No, sir.
No, sir.
क्योंकि x is not father of x na. X is not father of x. That means x comma x relation में नहीं आएगा for any x in that set A. Your set is A. So it is not a reflexive.
Reflexive.
What about symmetric?
Not
So,
symmetric, sir.
let x comma y belongs to R. That means x comma y relation में है. इसका मतलब है x is father of y. That implies y is not father of x, isn't it? That is not possible. That implies y comma x relation में नहीं आएगा. That means it is not
Symmetric.
symmetric. अभी ट्रांसिटिविटी के चेक करने के लिए हम अस्यूम करेंगे लेट x ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं x is related to y and y is related to z. This is another way of writing. X comma y belongs to R or x related to y, both are same meaning. तो इसका मतलब है x is father of y and y is father of z. Sorry, y is father of z. Okay. So ऐसे आएगा इधर y का father x, isn't it?
X.
Y का father x, but x is father of y. Is okay. So x is father. X is father of y. So x is father. Y is son or daughter. Then y is father of z. So either z. So y is father. Z is son or daughter. Then x z का father आएंगे क्या? नहीं है ना. Grandfather
No,
आएंगे
sir.
ना. So
Yes,
x
sir.
is not father of
Father.
z. That means x comma z relation में नहीं आएगा. Relation में नहीं आएगा. That, but you can see you will get pairs like this. These kind of pairs are available, isn't it? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these kind of
Yes.
pairs are available. मैंने बोला था yesterday हमने एक question भी देखा था. If there won't exist any two such pairs like that is x related to y and y related to x, then by default it is transitive. But here this is possible. X is related to y and y related to z. That is possible. Grandson, father, grandfather. ऐसे आते हैं relation. So this pair is possible, but x is not father of z. That means relation is not
Transitive.
Okay, so that is a concept of reflexive, symmetric, and transitive relation. Okay, so now we'll go a little fast because concept तो clear हो गया. Now, question number
Yes,
2.
sir.
Show that the relation R in the set of real numbers. Your set is real numbers. Okay, so which is our set, that is important. So relation real numbers, mother, it is from real numbers to real numbers. Your set here, it's a relation from real numbers to real numbers. Relation is defined like this. This is a relation. Set of all ordered pairs such that first number is less than or equal to square of the second number. तो हमें प्रूफ करना है दिस इज सिमेट्रिक, नाइदर सिमेट्रिक नॉर रिफ्लेक्सिव नॉर ट्रांसिटिव. ये सिमेट्रिक भी नहीं, रिफ्लेक्सिव भी नहीं, ट्रांसिटिव भी नहीं, ये करके प्रूफ करना. सो नहीं है
Yes, sir.
करके प्रूफ करने के लिए वन काउंटर एग्जाम्पल इज इनफ, बट है करके प्रूफ करने के लिए यू हैव टू प्रूव इट जनरली. सो एनीवे नहीं है करके प्रूफ करना है. सो आप एक काउंटर एग्जाम्पल बोलो. Your set is infinite. In your set there are infinite number of elements because your set is set of real numbers. So ये कोमा ये हमें ये चेक करना है कि ये कोमा ये रिलेशन में आते हैं कि देखो ए कोमा ए 1 is less than or equal to 1 square, 2 is less than or equal to 2 square, 3 is less than or equal to 3 square. So every number is less than or equal to its square, na? But what they said is it is neither reflexive. So why it is not reflexive? Or what is your opinion? Is it reflexive? Is it a mistake in the question? Or is it reflexive? Or if it is not reflexive? Not reflexive तो आप मुझे एक काउंटर एग्जाम्पल बताइए in such a way that a कोमा a ऐसे आपको काउंटर एग्जाम्पल दिखाना a कोमा a वो रिलेशन में नहीं आएगा करके. You just show me
Minus
one.
1. Minus 1.
Okay, -1. -1 is less than or equal to -1 का स्क्वायर. -1 का स्क्वायर क्या है? 1 है ना. So -1 is always less than or equal to 1. It is less than 1
Yes.
only. अब माइनस नंबर लेंगे तो -2. -2 is less than or equal to -2 का स्क्वायर. -2. हाँ बोलो. Yeah. Yes, tell me. रोहिणी.
सर रैशनल नंबर का स्क्वायर अगर लेंगे तो वो
Okay, rational number का स्क्वायर. Okay, like 7/6.
1/2.
7/6 rational number है ना. उसका स्क्वायर देखो. 7/6 का स्क्वायर 7/6 का स्क्वायर इट इज 49/36 विच इज बिग. 7/6 मतलब 6 into 6 36.
सर 0 से 1 तक के बीच में
हाँ
1 2.
यस दैट इज अ पॉइंट. 7 को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 42 42/46 and 49/36. So of course it is less. But when you take numbers between 0 and 1, 0 and 1 के बीच में कोई भी नंबर आप ले लो. जैसे 1/2 as रोहिणी said 1/2 1/2 का स्क्वायर 1/2 का स्क्वायर 1/2 का स्क्वायर is 1/4. 1/2 is not less than 1/4. Actually, in effect, 1/2 is greater than 1/4, isn't it? So we can say 1/2 not belongs to R. One example is enough. Clear? So
Yes,
that
sir.
implies relation is not
non-reflexive.
reflexive. अगर आपका सेट इधर रियल नंबर के जगह इंटीजर्स है तो if it was integers then it should be reflexive because ये rational number वाला integer में नहीं आएगा. So वो झंझट नहीं हो जाएगा उधर. So if the set was integers then this relation is reflexive, but here the set is real numbers में rational numbers भी आएगा. So when you take the square you can see that 1/2 1/2 not only 1/2 1/2 1/3 1/3 it will not be there. Any rational number if you take between 0 and 1 its square is greater than original number is greater than its square, so it is not reflexive. So first हमने prove किया. Now symmetric. सिमेट्रिक नहीं है करके प्रूफ करने के लिए बोला. सो ऑफ कोर्स उसमें ऑलरेडी उन्होंने क्वेश्चन में बताया कि इट इज नॉट सिमेट्रिक. सो नाउ वी हैव टू शो वन काउंटर एग्जांपल. शो वन काउंटर एग्जांपल. टेल वन काउंटर एग्जांपल. ऐसे है कि ए को ए रिलेटेड टू बी है बट बी रिलेटेड टू ए नहीं है. बोलो.
Sir, 2,2.
2,2.
Sir, 2,
2,2 रिलेशन में है. ओके. सो तो उसका रिवर्स भी क्या आएगा? 2,2 ही आएगा ना. हमें ऐसे प्रूफ करना है कि ए रिलेटेड टू बी है बट बी रिलेटेड टू ए नहीं है. हैं? व्हाट? 2,4 देखेंगे. 2,4 रिलेशन में आएगा बिकॉज 2 इज लेस दैन 4 स्क्वायर बराबर 2 इज लेस दैन और इक्वल टू 4 स्क्वायर. क्योंकि 2 इज लेस दैन 16 पक्का आएगा. अभी 4,2 आएगी क्या? देखो 4 इज लेस दैन और इक्वल टू 2 स्क्वायर आएगा ना. ये भी सही है ना. 4,2 भी रिलेशन में आ रहे. सो दिस इज नॉट बिकॉज 2,4 भी आ रहे 4,2 भी आ रहे.
सर ए भी 0 से और 1 के बीच में का
हैं?
0 और 1 के बीच में.
You just think, try to give me one example which is like A related to B, but B is not related to A. 1/2, comma 1. So let us see. 1/2 is less than 1 square बराबर. So 1/2, comma 1 रिलेशन में है. अभी 1/2. 1 is less than 1/2 का स्क्वायर. सो इट इज नॉट लेस. 1 is greater than 1/2. सो ये करेक्ट है. 1/2 1 रिलेशन में है बट 1,1/2 रिलेशन में नहीं है. हो गया काउंटर एग्जाम्पल. दैट मीन्स आर इज नॉट symmetric. Now the rest is remaining. You have to prove that it is not transitive. Try to find one counter example. You try yourself, because if everything, if I say there is there is no meaning in that. Whenever you want to prove it is not something, you have to show the counter example. So one example is enough. So reflexive नहीं है proof किया, symmetric नहीं है proof किया, अभी transitive नहीं है करके proof करना. Just that means you have to show me like this, like A related to B है, B related to C है, but A and C are not related. Like that, you have to show me a pair. कम से कम एक pair you have to show me. Try. 5,3. Okay, let us see. 5 is less than 3 square. 5 is less than 3 square. Correct. So 5,3 relation में आएगा and 3,2. 3 is less than 2 square. Correct. वो भी आएगा. But 5 comma 2, 5 is not less than 2 square, correct. So 5 comma 2 relation में नहीं आएगा, that means it is not transitive. Very good. Very good, Rohini. So you can find, like, not only this, there are lot of pairs like that. So उसमें से एक pair तो रोहिणी को मिला. You can find other pairs also. There are many pairs. There will be many pairs of this. So what we have shown now is this particular relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Okay, good. अभी इसमें से कि चेक करना है कि रिफ्लेक्सिव है क्या सिमेट्रिक, क्योंकि इस चैप्टर में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है कि whether the relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive, equivalence है क्या नहीं. Okay, what about this relation R defined in the set 1 2 3 4 5 6. So relation is like this: set of all ordered pair A B such that second number is first number plus 1. So reflexive है क्या?
Non-reflexive.
A comma A, it will not come in relation because first number A or second number is not equal to first number plus 1, isn't it?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is not
Reflexive.
reflexive. अभी सिमेट्रिक है क्या? सिमेट्रिक है तो हम पहले अज्यूम करेंगे लेट A related to B. So A related to B मतलब second number is first number plus 1.
A plus B.
So then A is not equal to B plus 1, isn't it? Actually A is equal to B minus 1 only, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
this implies
Non-symmetric.
B comma A is not in R. Relation में आना है तो A should be first number plus 1 होना चाहिए था. So B
Yes,
plus 1,
sir.
but A is not B plus 1. A is in fact B minus 1 only. So it is
Not in relation.
not symmetric. Then transitive है क्या? Transitivity के लिए हम let A related to B and B related to C. A related to B मतलब second number is first number plus 1 and B related to C second number is first number plus 1. अभी A related to C होना चाहिए तो ये हमारा मन में होना चाहिए. A related to C होना चाहिए तो C should be equal to A plus 1 होना चाहिए. So here हमें पता है कि C is equal to B plus 1, B is A plus 1, A plus 1 plus 1 which is equal to A plus 2.
B plus 2. A
So
plus 2.
this is not equal to A plus 1, right? Because हमें पता था A related to C है तो C should be A plus 1 होना चाहिए था, but C is actually A plus 2. So that implies relation is not
Transitive.
okay. That's all. A same thing, set of real numbers in R मतलब A real number का symbol है. पहले A less than or equal to B square था, अभी A less than or equal to B. So it is reflexive. But reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. सही है ना? Every number, every real number A is less than or equal to A. Less than, it is actually equal to A.
Equal to A.
Yes.
So that less than or equal to बोला है, so equal is also a part of that expression. So that
Yes,
means, so that means A comma A belongs to R. That implies the relation is reflexive.
Reflexive.
अभी सिमेट्री है क्या? देखो, let A related to B दैट इम्प्लाइज ए इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू बी। बट ये हमारा मन में होना चाहिए कि बी रिलेटेड टू ए है तो हमें प्रूफ करना है कि बी लेस देन और इक्वल टू ए। दिस मीन्स बी इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू ए, राइट? ए लेस देन और इक्वल टू बी मतलब बी इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू ए।
B is
So actually B related to A है तो B less than or equal to A होना चाहिए था. This implies, so in other words you can write this implies B is not less than or
B,
equal to A.
comma
Or we can say one more step, we can say B comma A is not in
does
R.
not belong
That
to
means
the
R is not
Symmetric.
symmetric. Then no, then transitivity के लिए हम assume करेंगे let A is related to B, you can use X, Y or whatever variable you want, and B is related to C. इसका मतलब A is less than or equal to B and B is less
B
than or
is
equal to C. So A B से less है, B C से less है. So that means A is less than or equal to C.
C.
So that means A is related to
C.
C.
C. That implies R is
Transitive.
transitive. हो गया proof. Okay. Again another, these are some particular, क्योंकि एक मार्क के लिए आ सकते हैं। अब देखो ए लेस देन और इक्वल टू बी देखा हमने, ए लेस देन और इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर देखा, अभी ए लेस देन और इक्वल टू बी क्यूब। सो चेक whether it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Same thing now, we can say between 0 and 1, right? If you take any number between 0 and 1, let's say for example 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
1 by 2 and 1 by 2 का
Cube.
क्यूब देखो, 1 by 2 का क्यूब क्या है?
1 by 8.
8 है. So 1 by 2 is not less than, 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 8, isn't it? So that
Yes,
means
sir.
1 by 2 is not belongs to the relation. That counter example हो गया, that implies relation is not
Not reflect.
reflexive. अभी सिमेट्रिक है क्या नहीं चेक करना। सिमेट्रिक नहीं है तो काउंटर एग्जाम्पल इज इनफ। देखो 1,2 रिलेशन में आएगा बिकॉज 1 इज लेस देन 2 क्यूब, दिस इज करेक्ट राइट? 1 is less than 8, but 2,1 मतलब 2 is less than 1, क्यों 2 less than 1 है क्या? नहीं।
No.
So 2,1 रिलेशन में नहीं आएगा, so that means R is not
Not symmetric.
symmetric. Then आप ट्रांसिटिविटी के लिए एग्जाम्पल आप बताइए। ये ट्रांसिटिव होने का चांस नहीं है। ए लेस देन और इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर भी ट्रांसिटिव नहीं था ना, तो हमने देखा था। सो इधर भी दिस इज नॉट ट्रांसिटिव, दे आर आस्किंग अस टू चेक ओनली। सो है तो प्रूफ करना, नहीं है तो काउंटर एग्जाम्पल इज इनफ। थिंक ऑफ वन एग्जाम्पल।
2,4.
बोलो 2,4।
4
लेट्स सी, 2
and 4,
is less than 4 cube, that is correct. So 2,4 relation में है, and this is true.
4,3.
4,3, 4 is less than 3 cube, that is also true. So 4,3 भी relation में है, so वैसे तो 2,3, 2 less than
Sorry,
2
sir.
correct है ना? So this also belongs to R, so this is correct. But see some other pair. Okay, so आपने जो बताया एग्जाम्पल, आई विल चेक। बोलो आपने को बोला था संकेत? 1
1 by 2.
1 1 by
1 by
2 1 1 by देखो 1 इज ये तो आपका रिलेशन में ही नहीं आएगा क्योंकि 1 इज नॉट लेस देन 1 by 8 ना, isn't it?
sir,
1 by 2
1 by 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 बोला था।
ओके 1 by 2 वो चेक करेंगे ओके 1 by 2 1 by 3 सो सबसे पहले रिलेशन में 1 by 2 1 by 3 क्या क्यूब इज 1 by 27 सो ऑफ कोर्स 1 by सो ये भी आपका रिलेशन में नहीं आएगा ना क्योंकि 1 by 2 इज नॉट लेस देन 1 by 3 का क्यूब 1 by 2 इज एक्चुअली ग्रेटर देन 1 by 27 ना,
Yes sir, yes.
तो वो भी आपका रिलेशन में आएगा ओके एक मैं बताता हूँ देखो 3 by 2 देखो देखता हूँ 3 is less than 3 by 2 का क्यूब 3 cube is 27 divided by 2 cube is 4 so of course it is 3 is less than 27 by 4 right sorry 27
Yes sir.
by 4 नहीं 27 by 8 there 8
2,
2
8.
8 so it is true so that means 3 by 2 आपका रिलेशन में आएगा right now
Yes sir.
3 by 2 4 by 3 3 by 2 4 by 3 4 cube is 16 into 4 कितना है 4 cube 4 into 4 16 60 into 4 64 64 divided by 27 3 by 2 मतलब it is 1.5 isn't it 64 by 27 it is anyway
इससे बड़ा ही
1 by 2 से बड़ा है 1 by 5 से बड़ा है ना 60
है सर।
64 divided by 27 it is 2.37 क्योंकि 27 2 is 54 only right 27 times 2 is 54 only or again 10 ज़्यादा है so of course right side is big so 3 by 2 less so this is also relation में आएगा correct now 3 and 4 by 3 देखो 3 4 by 3 4 by 3 का cube is 64 divided by 27 is this not less than because 64 by 27 हमने अभी देखा 2.37 है so this is not belongs to R that implies R is not
transitive.
transitive देखो ये काउंटर एग्जाम्पल ये तो याद करके रख देना ये एग्जाम्पल ऐसे ये एक ही एग्जाम्पल बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स है ऐसे सो बट टाइम पे ढूंढना मुश्किल होगा तो ये तो आप ये एग्जाम्पल याद रख देना 3 by 2 4 by 3 ओके क्योंकि तो है हमें पता है हमें कॉन्सेप्ट भी पता है सब कुछ हमें पता है बट उस समय जैसे अगर एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चन आया है शो वन काउंटर एग्जाम्पल टू प्रूव दैट दिस इज नॉट ट्रांसिटिव देन काउंटर एग्जाम्पल ढूंढने के लिए हम एक क्वेश्चन निकाल एक नंबर निकाल के चेक करके आधा घंटा चला जाएगा तो हमें तो सब कुछ पता है वी नो दैट कंसेप्ट वी नो एवरीथिंग बट तो वो प्रॉपर एग्जाम्पल मिलना मुश्किल होते हैं sometimes so it is better you keep this in your mind and you can try now actually like when you get free time see it's a good question so try to find some other pairs other than this 3 by 2 4 by 3 huh? Try to find some other pairs
Sir,
of,
one more.
हाँ बोलो
9,3
9,3 okay let us check 9,3
and 3,2.
3,2 let us see 9 is less than 3 cube so it is correct 3 is less than 2 cube 2 cube is 8 so that is also correct so ये दोनों रिलेशन में आएगा ही बढ़िया then देखो 9,2 yeah perfect 9 is not less than 2 cube बढ़िया एग्जाम्पल मिला इंटीजर में ही मिला ऐसे राशनल नंबर का कोई जरूरत नहीं पड़ा correct so that is another wonderful example not So R is not transitive. Very good. See, ऐसे बहुत सारे examples रहते हैं. आया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we will do more questions in tomorrow's class. Okay. So because this relations, this portion, agar syllabus is reduced, then this portion is very important. So anyway, first, let's see, well, is there any confirmation from CBSE? Otherwise, like in the previous chapter also, matrices, there is one section we eliminated, that is elementary operations. Determinants, there is one topic eliminated, which is properties of determinants. Don't worry, we will discuss all the, if it is in syllabus, we will discuss all those things. Okay. So kal hum more questions from this chapter, we'll discuss more questions from this chapter, means about this reflex relation, symmetric relation, and all those things. After that only we'll move to the next topic, one and onto functions, और functions के topic में जाएंगे उसके बाद. ठीक है? Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.